So 48 hours removed from Cornerski, and what a difference that time makes. Matt, you must be very, very happy man tonight.
Yeah, pleased that obviously we got the result. Pleased that we've scored our first goal after 4 games. Pleased that we kept a clean sheet, but I'm absolutely so proud of the players in terms of the performance they put in and the commitment and the desire that we had. You know, it's been a tough few weeks for us. I think in the group, you know, sometimes I think we look deeply at ourselves, me included, and today they've come up with the goods, and you know, that's what they're all about, and hopefully now we can get some consistency and kick on in the league.
We go down to 10 men, 2-0 up. Most people would expect that will be like shut up shop, but not for us. We go up ahead and score 3 more. Just how pleasing is that?
Well, I mean, when you've got the threat we've got going forward, you know, Jeff and Jonah and Luke Borelli and you know, Jonathan Evans comes on and Costas, and you know, we've got Blake Davis in the group. We've got threats all over the pitch, and you know, Jeff I thought was outstanding tonight. I think he terrorised their back 4. I think Luke was fantastic, and you know, I'm going to have a look at the video footage again in terms of the sending off. You know, Jonesy was brilliant, and you know, the pleasing thing is we came with a game plan tonight, and the players stuck with it, and they showed what they're all about, and you know, I'm delighted for them. I'm also delighted for the supporters that came down and have followed us over the last few games, but you know, yeah, it's just one game now. It's stopped that run or that rot that we've been in, and now we've just got to kick on and make sure this isn't just a one-off. This has got to be a start of something.
One slight negative tonight, we had Sam Rhodes on leave in the warm-up. How's he looking now?
Yeah, his thigh was a little bit tight, probably more like a dead leg. He was sore after Sunday, and thought he could run it off tonight. And but you know, Ryan Woolacott stepped in there. You know, he's a centre half anyway, and he stepped in, and I think, you know, we shuffled the back 4 a little bit with Greg Walters at left back, and Watsy had gone in at right back again, and I thought they were outstanding. And you know, to obviously score 5 goals away from home, but also keep a clean sheet, it's probably a perfect night for us.
And on a positive note, we've got Clarkey back tonight. We had Sherbs coming back, so it begins to get back to full strength. That must be pleasing.
Yeah, and that's been part of our problem as well. You know, we've an issue with goals and scoring them. We've had an issue with injuries, and injuries probably to key players as well. And we're having to contain with the travel, which has been so difficult. And I don't think anyone realises how hard it's been for us. But I'm very proud of what the players have done tonight, and they deserve all the credit. And we move on now to Cardiff Met, and we make sure we're ready for that one.
And of course, that Cardiff Met game, live on the Scorer cameras, they've run 2 on the bounce now. It ought to be a cracking game. Yeah,
listen, it's tight down there. It's tight in the league. I think everyone's beating everybody at the minute, and yeah, we know they're a very good side. Maybe a bit false position, I think, but you know, we've got to get ourselves ready, and we've got to take all our strengths together and bring that back ready for Saturday's game, and hopefully we can get something out of it.
Matt, many congratulations, well earned, and enjoy your night.
Thanks, mate.